In an age of chaos and conflict, one name echoed across deserts and continents, a name that symbolized honor, chivalry, and unyielding faith. This was a leader whose legend was forged not only in the fires of victory, but in the wellspring of mercy. He was a sultan who could defeat his enemies on the battlefield, yet would turn around and feed their children. He conquered the city of Jerusalem, a feat many thought impossible, yet did not spill a single drop of blood in the process. His compassion was so profound, so striking, that even his fiercest foes came to honor his name. This is the story of Salahuddin Ayyubi, often called the Lion of the Desert. Born in Tikrit, in modern-day Iraq, Salahuddin rose from what one might consider humble beginnings. He entered a world where the Muslim lands were fractured, divided by internal rivalries and external threats. Yet, through his vision and determination, he managed to unite this divided world under a single banner, preparing them for the monumental task that lay ahead. For decades, powerful Crusader armies had established kingdoms in the heart of the Middle East. Facing these formidable forces, Salahuddin proved himself to be not just a soldier, but a brilliant strategist and a deeply charismatic commander who inspired unwavering loyalty in his men. His ultimate goal, the dream that fueled his every action, was to reclaim the holy city of Jerusalem, a land held sacred by Christians, Jews, and Muslims alike. He understood its immense significance not just as a strategic prize, but as a spiritual center for millions. The path to Jerusalem was paved with hardship and conflict. The pivotal moment came at the Battle of Hattin. Here, Salahuddin's tactical genius was on full display. He lured the Crusader army into an arid, waterless trap under the blazing sun. The resulting victory was decisive, shattering the military strength of the Crusader states and leaving the road to Jerusalem wide open. The moment of truth had arrived, as he and his victorious army stood at the gates of the holy city. The world held its breath. History was replete with examples of cities being sacked, their populations put to the sword after a conquest. Everyone expected a bloodbath, a revenge for the massacre that had occurred when the first Crusaders took the city nearly a century earlier. But Salahuddin chose a different path. He chose compassion over conquest, mercy over vengeance. Instead of unleashing his soldiers, he offered terms of peace. He granted safe passage to all inhabitants who wished to leave, and he ensured the protection of those who chose to stay, regardless of their faith. He even used his own treasury to pay the ransom for thousands of the city's poorest citizens who couldn't afford to pay it themselves. In the days that followed, he was seen personally protecting civilians, organizing the distribution of food to the poor, and ensuring that Christian holy sites were respected and left untouched. He showed the world that true strength isn't measured by the power to destroy, but by the grace to show mercy. This act of clemency became a defining moment of his legacy, earning him respect that transcended religious and cultural divides. This is the enduring story of Salahuddin Ayyubi, the Knightly King, the Lion of the Desert, the Sultan who ultimately conquered hearts, not just lands. His life serves as a timeless reminder that leadership is about more than just power. It's about justice, integrity, and a profound sense of shared humanity. His legacy is not just one of military victories, but of a leader who, in a time of brutal warfare, held onto his principles and treated even his enemies with dignity. It's a story that continues to inspire people across the globe. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed this story and want to uncover more legendary tales that have shaped our world, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more of these incredible histories to light. We'll see you in the next video.